Railway trains, welcome back. Today we will discuss the important principles of orders against which appeal lies under Disciplinary and Appeal Rules of Indian Railway. Start your preparation process with expert. Get ready to streamline. Come learn the secrets to success in the Railway Devils exam and other competitive exams in this comprehensive guide. Orders against which appeal lies under Disciplinary and Appeal Rules of Indian Railway. The railway servant may prefer appeal against all or any of the following orders. 1. An order of suspension made or deemed to have been made, under Rule 5 of D&A Rules. 2. An order of imposing any of the penalties specified in Rule 6 whether made by the disciplinary authority or by any appellate or reviewing authority. 3. An order enhancing any penalty imposed under Rule 6. 4. An order which a. Denies or varies to his disadvantage his pay, allowance, pension, provident fund benefits, service gratuity or other conditions of service as regulated by rules or by agreement, or b. Interprets to his disadvantage the provisions of any such rule or agreement. 5. An order a. Stopping him at the efficiency bar in the time scale of pay on the ground of his unfitness to cross the bar. b. Reverting him while officiating in a higher service, grade or post to a lower service, grade or post otherwise than as penalty. c. Reducing or withholding the pension or denying the maximum pension admissible to him under the rules, if he is pensionable railway servant. d. Reducing or withholding the government contribution and special contribution to PF or gratuity admissible to him if he is non-pensionable railway servant. a. Determining the subsistence and other allowances to be paid to him for the period of suspension or for the period during which he is deemed to be under suspension or for any portion thereof. f. Determining his pay and allowances. 1. For the period of suspension, or e. For the period from the date of his dismissal, removal or compulsory retirement from service to the date of his reinstatement, or g. Determining whether or not the period from the date of his suspension or from the date of his dismissal, removal or compulsory retirement to the date of his reinstatement shall be treated as a period spent on duty for any purpose. In this connection, the expression railway servant includes a person who has ceased to a railway servant, and the expression pension includes additional pension, gratuity and any other retirement benefit. Appellate authorities. A railway servant, including a person who has ceased to be railway servant, may prefer an appeal against all of any of the orders specified in above-mentioned paragraph, to the authority specified in this behalf in the schedules or, where no such authority is specified, to the authority stipulated in Rule 19 of the Disciplinary and Appeal Rules, 1968. The consideration of appeal is governed by Rule 22. Charge sheet. The charge sheet is the primary document which sets a disciplinary inquiry into motion. The issue of charge sheet is necessitated to comply with the provision of Article 311(2) of the Constitution of India, which says, no person shall be dismissed or removed or reduced in rank except after an inquiry in which he has been informed of the charges against him and given a reasonable opportunity of being heard. The charge sheet has been termed as Articles of Charges in the Disciplinary and Appeal Rules, 1968. Rule 9(6) demands a charge sheet to be issued where it is proposed to hold any inquiry, when it is felt prima facie that a case exists and to establish the same an inquiry is proposed. Show cause. A show cause notice is a provisional decision which is served upon an employee when it is proposed to impose a penalty on him. Under Article 311 of the Constitution of India, a show cause notice is given to an employee mentioning the proposed penalty before actually imposing a penalty. As a matter of fact, show cause is issued when the authority has decided to impose the penalty and only seeks to have employees' remarks on the quantum of penalty and should be issued to an employee convicted in a criminal charge and against whom an action is proposed to be taken in terms of Rule 14 of the. Thank you for joining our in-depth discussion on preparation for railway departmental examinations and other competitive examinations within the Indian railway system. Remember, mastering the discipline and appeal rules of 1968 is the key to your success. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more invaluable tips and tricks to excel in your railway career. Until next time, we will see you on your way to faster success. Happy studying.